Okay, there we go.
But I like the country it's from. All right, good stuff.
Oh fuck, started that one in second. How's it going, YouTube? Me and Supra Nico, we're going to it's like kind of a car meet, we're going to call it, fundraiser for sick kids. And yeah, I thought I'd bring you with me. See what's good out there, you know? That's it. Not really a big ride, but you know, kind of a short one. Yeah, short one. That's why I'm squidding it today, as they call it. It's just literally up the road here. We're not really doing anything spectacular, right? So, oh, nice little gravel fucking pit. And that was a little bouncy. Okay, there we go. Of course I had to get a bug right on my newly cleaned, what's up? Newly cleaned visor. Of course, because why not? Fuck's sakes. You gotta line up? We have to line up? Okay. Oh, this is it. It's at the Acura of Maple. Seems like should be all sorts of different cars here, we're gonna call it. See some Supras and stuff like that. You going in? Trying to sneak in instead of sitting in that stupid line over there. Fuck it. Fucking phone keeps dinging away. Nico, make a donation, $5. I'll give it to you. I have it in my pocket. on, baby. What's up, bro? All right, all right. Duck paddle. What the fuck is taking so long? You guys gotta have a big conversation. What the fuck? Hurry up. Nice cars. Very nice. What's up, bro? Oh, clutch. There we go. I'm with him. Are you going up? Going up?
Ready for the dumping, ready for the dumping, ready for the dumping. But hot girls, the boat stunting, we hypnotize them tick like pumpkin. Look back, me big button.
Apparently I'm going up on the podium. Hilarious. You're good, you're good. Go. Yep. Yes. You're okay. Where does he want me? Right here? Okay, hold please. Ducati gets somewhat special treatment. Yeah? Yeah, but someone else probably gonna park here, no? Someone else probably gonna park here, no?
I don't think so. It's in front of the door.
Yeah?
You want to make sure you don't park too wide. So
Okay, hold on.
Mr. Ducati Toronto over here with this one.
Yeah?
Who owns the Civic here with no back seats? Alright, just gonna get you to move over about a foot. Okay? Stop it.
I can move over a little bit, eh?
Mr. Blue TLX over here.
Hey, what do you think?
A little bit as well. That'll make a little bit more parking spots. Alright guys, we're just gonna get a little tight. Yeah, this one's gonna stay where he is, so.
Okay. It's better. Is that good like that? Alright.
And he drives with his hood up. Trunk open. The man is ready. ready for the heat. Shirtless, trunk open. He's going.
Well,
Is this you, Mr. Miami? What's your name? Steve, how you doing? All right, nice to meet you. What you got here? What you got? Wow. Yeah, it's clean. It's sharp. I like the way the placement of everything. Looks really good.
yeah. You know what? I'll come with you.
Awesome. Good stuff. Well, welcome. Listen, I like your plate where it's from. I can't read it,
But I like the country it's from. All right. Good stuff.
you guys can check it out for yourself. I'm not reading it out loud.
Lots of nice cars. Lots of nice cars. Sick.
Simon, how we doing? Is this hot enough for you, Simon? Simon's our parts manager, everyone. Simon, if they need OEM parts.
What are you registering?
Show and shine.
Show and shine. Well, your car's clean? Your car's clean still? Yeah. All right, cool. I was just gonna take a little. Nice cars. Oh, that one's got speakers in the roof. Jesus. Door. Really nice. All right, jump back to you guys in a little bit. That was a quick car meet. It was all right. It's all for good fun. I mean, you know, a good cause for sick kids. It's pretty cool. Nice cars turned up. I couldn't really let the camera run too much because there was a lot of music, and YouTube does not like when you play music that isn't of their choice, because it's you know, obviously licensed and registered and all that. So I got it. Anywho, oh, big stop. Big stop. Let me guess, all these fuckers are turning? There's one asshole up there forgot to fucking hit the gas. Yep, one asshole forgot to hit the gas. Well, stupid award goes to him. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm doing it. Fuck it. I'm doing it. Well, anyway, guess I'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell. We'll see you next time.